flesh on the eyeball. Make some spooky Halloween appetizers. This is so easy. All you need is cream cheese, green olives, black olives, ham, and a baguette. Start out by placing a blob of cream cheese right in the middle and then kind of making it into a little bit of a circle. Then take the tip of the knife and you're going to kind of make a hollow center. If you want, you can keep the red ones in the middle to make it look extra creepy. We're taking the pimentos out and we're putting a piece of black olive in the middle. And then you're gonna put that in the center. And then you wanna make sure, obviously, your hands are clean and you wanna rip up the lunch meat and then you're going to place it around, making it look like flesh on the eyeball. Then we're gonna put them on this spooky tray we got from the dollar store. These spooky eyeball appetizers are so easy to make and perfect for your Halloween party.